our school has been conducting life skill sessions for us. And in these sessions, there is one thing that I would like to hold on to. The potential you have will always start within you. It is nobody else that can ignite that fire of potential, and that will make your performance better. To ignite this fire of potential, you have to do something that you have never done before in your life. I would like to connect this to an incident that happened a few years ago. I was about 4 or 5 years old when my first dance performance was there. I was really scared and nervous for the performance. But my father and my mother encouraged me, told me, you can do this, there's nothing you can't do. I went to the extent of cancelling my name off the team. But my parents did not allow that. And finally, I finished my performance. I felt so happy and proud that I did something new, and I was so satisfied with myself. And this improved my potential and in turn improved my performance. So I am really grateful to Deepak Shinde sir for encouraging me to improve my potential to give better performances. Thank you.